Hi, today I will discuss about basics of the PSCAD. So I'll show you how to design a simple circuit using PSCAD. So first I'm going to show you my screen. This is my screen. So go to the double click the PSCAD version 50. I have already installed. So if you don't know about the installation, so I will maybe upload another different video. So today just I'm focusing on the building simple circuit using PSCAD. So first you can go here, click here. So open or new. So if you already have the model, you can just go open. But for the first time, so you just click new. New, and you can give a title. Let's say I give tutorial 1. Tutorial 1. Then create and make sure that where you are saving. See this the place, or you can browse. I'm going to browse and set to my folder. Select stuff. As it is 2025, and I'm going to save it, April, and paste it. This is my folder. So easy to find my model next time. So create a model here. See the space, that empty space has been opened. Now what need to do now, you go to the master, and whatever the component you need, so drag it from here by just copy. So for example, I copy them. This is the one source. Copy here and paste it here. Paste. If you have to rotate it, you can rotate Control R. This is the way you can rotate it. You also can set the parameter. For example, configure parameter source. You can write this is uh, voltage. Voltage. I can say ideal, because the first time we are not inserting any resistance, so it's ideal source. And is it source grounded? Yes, because we don't need any extra ground. If we insert no, so you have to insert grounding. We have to add grounding. And this is AC source. You can also signal, but you can change the parameter also as well. I'm not changing any parameter. You can also change. Oh, okay. Let's see change here. So for example, 100 volt. Looks 100 volt equals 0.10. This is 100 volt, and ramp time just says 0 because we're not using AM time. Initial phase 0, and frequency you can choose normally in our in maximum transmission line, whatever frequency normally 50 hertz. Also you can use 60 hertz also. And terminal real power, if we can add it. I'm going to click OK here. So this is the source. So next grab a resistance. For example, this is the resistance here. So copy this resistance and set it to here. Paste and press and drag, make it align, and go to here inductor, copy here, bring it here, paste, and similarly you can rotate it. Control R. Yes, looks okay. So having it here. Now you can use a wire. So this is the wire. and click here, the left click, then drag it here, and it should be right click, then it will be connected and stop, otherwise it will continue. So you may make the components short circuited. So to avoid, so click the right click, so then it can click again left and continue here, become here, and the right click here. Okay, and we need also the ground, so go here, search the ground, is the ground, copy this ground, bring it here, and just change it here. Okay, sorry, this is the ground, paste, so connect here, take the wire again here, where, okay, just the connected already. So this is simple circuit and you can run it. For example, if you just go hit the run button, it will be run. But make sure if you don't see any error here, sees zero errors, that means your model is perfect. But sometimes you may see the errors. But the first time, if you install the PSCAD, then sorry, what is this coming? Okay. So this PSCAD, you may see some errors like make file or something. So you have to restart the PSCAD for the first time after you install PSCAD. So, okay, so now you can't see any output here. So I'm going to see the currents as well as the voltage. So for example, if you go to the components here again, and this is the emitter, so you can, if you place here, it will be short circuited, so we should not place like this way. So we place here, so after that we have to delete this part, delete it and put it here, and now bring the wire, it's the wire, and connect it. So make sure that this is I did a mistake, so you have to if you want to stop, so you have to click right. So this is continuing, this is continuing, so I have to click if you left, so this place you see the extra wire, so I'm going to undo it here, so do it again and right click. Okay, so do it here again and right click. Okay, you can go here, I'm in normal mode. So I have to see this current. So I have added the emitter here, but you need to the graph to see the, we need another one. This is the one, see the master PGP component. So you can see that this graph. So but you have to add that level, data level. You can find is this is the data label. So this brings data label here, and need to connect both of them together wires. So yeah, this, and again I did mistakes here, so I'm going to undo it, sorry, and bring the data label here again. Yeah, it's the one, and insert here. I to going here, so maybe some, yeah, delete this one. Now I bring the wire here. Say for example here. Okay, this is the wire you have connected. So make sure you can bring it here down. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. But you see that this is IA underscore one, so this should be IA underscore one. So change this name IA underscore one. Okay, this value one, it will be updated once we run the program. So now what you can do, you have to add a graph again. Click here, then come to the graphs meter and control. This is here, and add overlay graph with signal. So click here, you can see this is the graph. So here, now I am going to run this model. So click here, run. You can see the graph here. So this is the like simple circuit. So you can see the current here. Yeah, you can see current almost zero. So if you want to see the exact graph, so you can hit the R button. Just bring the cursor here and hit the R. You can see. So it's the simple circuit, but if you want to increase the um, what's called, if you want to see the real graph like transient and steady state, so you need to modify this circuit again. So this is a simple, very simple uh, model, this basic of the PSCAD circuit. You can also from here, uh, if you want, you can edit like increase the uh, thickness. Also, you can change the color if you want. Go to and change the color, whatever color you like, with the pink. And select the pink. Okay, this is pink. And if you increase the what's called, you can increase the resolution time by setting I think here, yeah, here is 0.5 second. Duration is 0.5 second. You can increase this one. Solution time step up is 550 microseconds. That's enough. Channel plot step is 250. So you can adjust this setting also. So you can see the maybe I can change to one and run it again. Let's see how you can see. This is like in this situation, this current is becoming a stable condition because this is still transient condition. Let's say we change again to 2 seconds. Yep. So run it here. I have to hit the R button. Yeah, you can see it's stable. The first initial, this is transient condition. So you can control this transient. It's like L by R, like time constant RC, L by R. So that's the way. So if I'm going to add increase this resistance, so let's see what is the effect. Let's say I have inserted as 10, and I'm going to run it again. See how it is. You see that transient is becoming more stable. It's like this current is becoming stable condition quickly because there is a time constant, so you have to set it. Anyway, this is the overview for the first basic circuit. So if you have any question, you can comment on my channel, and you can subscribe my channel if you are interested. Okay, I'm going to stop it now. Stop sharing.